Hi, this is the Vivo Y17 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to Wi-Fi section. Click here to the Wi-Fi switcher to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi option. Then you'll see here all of the available networks here and just select one from the networks, enter the password and tap to connect on the right upper corner. Here you'll see that we just successfully connected to this network, and also we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, click to the switcher, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.